NASA is facing a major budget cut in 2026, with a proposed $25.4 billion allocation, significantly less than previous years. The Science Mission Directorate, which leads NASA's robotic missions and research, will take the biggest hit. This means fewer new missions, reduced operations for current projects, and less data analysis, slowing our quest to understand the universe. Some missions could be delayed or canceled, impacting everything from climate research to the search for life on Mars. Thousands of jobs and America's leadership in space science are at risk. The cuts affect the entire pipeline, from new ideas to published discoveries, and threaten to dampen the inspiration NASA provides to future scientists. Scaling back now could stall decades of innovation and exploration. The 2026 budget marks a crossroads for NASA's future in space discovery. NASA's Earth science missions are vital for monitoring our planet's health, tracking sea levels, ice caps and forests, and air quality. The 2026 budget cuts put these programs, including the Earth System Observatory, in jeopardy. Delays or cancellations mean less data for climate models and disaster prediction, leaving us less prepared for hurricanes, droughts, and other crises. Smaller projects monitoring water resources and deforestation could also lose funding, hurting local communities and economies. Farmers, emergency responders, and policymakers rely on NASA's data for daily decisions. Reducing Earth science funding is a gamble with our future, risking our ability to respond to environmental challenges. The information from these missions is essential for protecting our home. These cuts threaten to take away one of our best tools for understanding and safeguarding Earth. The cuts reach beyond Earth, threatening flagship missions like the Mars Sample Return, which could be delayed or canceled. Missions to Venus, such as Veritas, are on indefinite hold, limiting our understanding of planetary evolution and climate. Funding for observatories like Chandra is at risk, potentially ending our ability to study the high-energy universe in X-rays. The legendary Voyager probes, humanity's farthest explorers, may be shut down early, ending a historic journey. Each cut closes a window on the cosmos, leaving questions about our solar system and the universe unanswered. These missions are not just science, they're milestones in human achievement. Without them, we lose opportunities for discovery and inspiration. The proposed budget could mark the end of some of NASA's most ambitious explorations. Our reach for the stars is in real danger of shrinking. The proposed cuts stem from broader government efforts to control spending and prioritize immediate needs like healthcare and defense. Rising costs for major projects such as the Mars Sample Return have put pressure on NASA's budget, forcing tough choices. Some argue NASA should focus on human spaceflight, like the Artemis Moon program, while others champion robotic science missions for their scientific value. Critics warn that cost overruns on big missions threaten the entire science portfolio. Supporters say NASA drives innovation and inspires future scientists and strengthens the economy. Cutting NASA's budget, they argue, is short-sighted and risks America's leadership in science and technology. The debate is about more than money, it's about the vision for NASA's future. The 2026 proposal favors Artemis, leaving science missions to absorb the deepest cuts. The proposed budget is just the starting point. Congress has the final say. Lawmakers will review, debate, and possibly restore funding for NASA's science programs. Public support and advocacy from scientists and organizations like the Planetary Society can influence these decisions. Historically, Congress has often backed NASA, recognizing its value for discovery and national pride. The outcome will shape what we learn about our universe for years to come. Will we bring back a piece of Mars, unlock Venus's secrets, and keep monitoring Earth's health? The answers depend on choices being made right now. There's still hope that Congress will keep America's journey of discovery moving forward.